Hello, my name is Gigon. I'm Nancy Hornbill TV. It is Nagamis News Roundup Janaido. 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly laga 9th session do November 25 or 26 se jawle thaga janai dishe Wednesday de. DIPR logo de jani baishi edu session lole thaga do Assembly laga Business Advisory Committee bra NLA Speaker sharing in Longkumar laga chairmanship under de Monday din de sitting thagina provisional program talishe kuria koshe. Idu session de alakan majude idia guta chaitaka Surface Act 2002 laga oborde select committee report pi list kurigina thaka janaishe. Confederation of Nagaland Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Kanpra, State Sorkarge, Surface Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002 Act Implement Kurule, Demand Kurigina Ahya Nishna, Din Sal Bichide, Alge Jawle Rasta Kulishe. State Sorkarbra, Aha Winter Session de Edu Bill Table Kurule, Faisla Lushe. CNCCI Chairman Dr. Kekuka Murubra, Hornbill TV ke gushi ki State Sorkarbra Bill do Table Kurule Thagianimide, State Sorkar are various officials can get thanks Chenaishe. Dr. Murubra, Surface Act laga benefits can be Guidishe, Ahibi Tai Arokiki Gushe, detailed report, Amikal Laga reporter, Sungmo Lodesawa.
It is one act, American business community of Nagaland do itu nishina lagya to bishi sal hoise. Aro central government prior to act pass kura to almost 2 decades hoise, ole bi Nagaland implement no kure. Now, American la economy to kholi jase, we are interlinking our economy with other economies. American young entrepreneurs are yearly graduate, thousands of graduate ula ase. Government full employment diwa na pare. Government cannot finance all the entrepreneurs also, businessmen also. Iniga hodo the Confederation of Nagaland Chamber of Commerce and Industry, we felt that this is one act that can change the scenario. So 3 years back, we started writing to the Honorable Chief Minister in the form of representation. We also met government officials. And we have been asking government to immediately initiate and implement this act in Nagaland. With coming of this act, we see that we are going to have not only helping the entrepreneurs and business community, but it's going to transform the economy of the state. It is also our duty how we groom, shape our economy. So, as a business body, we have been advising the government to enact this law immediately. So 3 years since then, we have been fighting with government. We have been talking with government on various capacities. This year, on 16th of September, we went for all Nagaland shutter down, business shutter down for 1 day, demanding immediate implementation. Thankfully, Honorable Chief Minister, he took personal interest. Our Honorable Minister Niba Kruino is thorough about what this act is. So, and he is concerned for our upcoming entrepreneurs, so that he also gave his keen interest. And this is how we put everything together and it has materialized. So I want to thank Honorable Chief Minister, the committee members who has done a long exercise to implement, to table in the upcoming winter session. Well, there are apprehensions that Amikan la mati khotomo jawo, Amikan la mati khailo. There's nothing as such. CNCCI has a vision. We know that what we are asking for. Banks are not stupid. They are professionals. We leave that to them. But bank pra apni mati bosti te ancestral land to apni mountain bi bomb guriyan rakhile bi in the eyes of the bank, it's zero value. So what we are saying is convert that into a market value. CC de takan direct company ke check pathai de. So you know, banks are not stupid. They will assess, and that's their profession. I'll leave that to them to clarify that. But I think those are things which we need to understand that American la manugan to babe ase ki mati thaka go thaka sab mortgage kurwa parbo inika bi nohoy. Government of Nagaland, our demand from day one has also been that it has to be in tune with Article 371A. And government of Nagaland has, and we appreciate the bankers union, they have agreed. So, apni kan ita aji bank pra kunba defaulter la mati lo issue kelebi, they are not going to sell it to outsiders. Nijor manu logote bikuri kurwala ase. So, I think again that apprehension has been cleared by the government. What is very crucial at this moment is that SARFAISI Act ahanimide sab manu loan mati thagatu loan pabo iniga bhi no bhabibo lage. It is going to benefit our upcoming young generation. I want to make one special appeal and also to the banks, the lead banks in Nagaland, all the branches across Nagaland, also to the government of Nagaland, that our people still lacks in financial awareness and management. If the SARFAISI Act is implemented, we need to create a lot of awareness generation in remote areas.
Indian Red Cross Society Nagaland laga 34th annual general body meeting ceremonial function do aji Wednesday dinde state branch Kohima laga Raj Bhavan de thaise. Program de Indian Red Cross Society Nagaland laga president aro governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi bra address dishe tade daibra Indian Red Cross Society Nagaland bra evaluate kurigina Red Cross laga membership do utawole lage like patrons, vice patrons, life members aro alag alag categories khande koigina koshe.
Happy to see that Red Cross has achieved remarkable accomplishments over the years through their humanitarian services, including reaching out to the poor and less privileged sections of the society, particularly in times of disaster.
Fusion Cup ra 32 Assam Rifles logo miligina Zeneboto District Division Winter Cup laga second edition the organized Krisha aji November 17 Zeneboto District Sports Council ground. Inaugural program day Zeneboto Deputy Commissioner Peter Lichamo laga chief guest kuridishe aro tournament laga second edition day part krule parado bishi privilege ase aro iki logo miligina iniga sport khilado friendship grow guria koigina gushe.
Something very important. It's a friendship with the sports. You come together, you come to know each other, you play together, you know each other. And in sports, you learn one or two things. You need to learn discipline. You need to learn cooperation. You have to cooperate with your team. You need to obey obedience. So these are a few things that the sports will teach you. Therefore, I wish all the teams that are here to cooperate with each other, have friendship with each other.
Program day 32 Assam Rifles laga commandant Prabi Kotha Krishe iniga hoigina talaga speech day organizer kan ge praise Krishe aro sports pra hotai khushi aro environment day positivity to promote kure koikina goshe.
To the Fusion Club for organizing such an event, because sports always promote happiness, sports promote positivity in the environment, and when there are sports going on in a place, there's a lot of positive vibes and there's a lot of energy which is there in the environment. The only thing that I would like to tell you is that may the game be played in the spirit of the game. Please follow all the rules. Sportsman spirit is most important. Winning and losing is secondary. Sportsman spirit is more important. Wishing all the best to all the teams. May you have a good game. Play hard. Don't get hurt. May you have an injury-free game. Enjoy the game.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi Raji November 17 dinde 82nd All India Presiding Officers Conference via video conference pra address Krishe aro goshe democracy do khali system hi na hoigina India laga natural tendency ase goshe Modi goshe India gedo aha sal de nudun heights te lui jole koshish kuro aro edudo sob manu laga koshish rahi parbo AIPOC laga centennial sal commemorate kurule All India Presiding Officers Conference laga 82nd edition do Shimla de November 17 aro November 18 de thagi ase aro edu laga first conference to Shimla de 1921 de thagishe
जब हम सबका प्रयास की बात करते हैं तो सभी राज्यों की भूमिका उसका बड़ा आधार होती है। देश के बीते सालों में देश ने जो हासिल किया है उसमें राज्यों की सक्रिय भागीदारी ने बड़ी भूमिका निभाई है। चाहे पूर्वोत्तर की दशकों पूरी समस्याओं का समाधान हो, दशकों से अटकी लटकी विकास की तमाम बड़ी परियोजनाओं को पूरा करना हो, ऐसे कितने ही काम हैं जो देश ने बीते सालों में किए हैं, सबके प्रयास से किए हैं। अभी सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण हमारे सामने कोरोना का ही है। इतनी बड़ी लड़ाई देश ने सब राज्यों को साथ लेकर जिस एकजुटता से लड़ी वो अपने आप में ऐतिहासिक है। आज भारत 110
November 13 de Manipur Churachandpur district laga Singkat sub division de Assam Rifles unit laga commanding officer arota laga family logo tinda paramilitary force personnel kange terror attack te murishe tinda chawan wajude ekchundu paska 46 Assam Rifles laga rifleman Suman Swargeri tagishe Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma pra aji November 17 de taige tribute dishe aro rupees 50 lakh to chawan laga family ge hand over gridishe. United Nations pra Pakistan ke platform tiado Pakistan pra misuse kurina taikan laga malicious propaganda pra New Delhi ke Botnam Korea de India pra United Nations Security Council de Islamabad pra Kashmir mamla opore kotha ola pra Pakistan ke goshe ki Jammu aru Kashmir bitor de illegal occupations pra vacate kuribi goshe Dr. Kachal Pad kun UN de India's permanent mission laga counselor ase tabar goshe ki Jammu aru Kashmir Ladakh laga sob area do hotai India laga integral aro inalienable part hobo koi kina chanaise.
The first time the representative of Pakistan has misused platforms provided by the UN to propagate false and malicious propaganda against my country and seeking in vain to divert the world's attention from the sad state of his country where terrorists enjoy free pass while the lives of ordinary people, especially those belonging to the minority communities, are turned upside down. Mr. President, member states are aware that Pakistan has an established history and policy of harboring, aiding and actively supporting terrorists. This is a country which has been globally recognized as one openly supporting, training, financing and arming terrorists as a matter of state policy. It holds the ignoble record of hosting the largest number of terrorists prescribed by the UN Security Council. I would like to be categorical about India's position. The entire Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh were, are and will always be an integral and inalienable part of India. This includes the areas that are under the illegal occupation of Pakistan. We call upon Pakistan to immediately vacate all areas under its illegal occupation.
The best institutions teach the most and not just teach a lot. NICSE believes in not just cracking one exam in life, but in an education that can also equip for the exam of life. Every day is a feather added, every day is a day conquered at NICSE. Be in the team of goal achievers, in the company of best learners, an environment for daily steps, daily efforts, daily learning and testing, daily corrections, daily molding, and daily succeeding for the ultimate success in exam. Crack the NPSC exam with NICSE. Coach with the best.
Yogi Sorgar Bra Chansi de Din Gane Chalsa program organized Kurishe, Idula program de Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, our Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Dai Dijinbi Bunchina, Rashtra Raksha Samarpan Parv inaugurate Kurle, Aro Idula program de CM Yogi Bra Kushi, Chansi Laga Kotha Kurishe Gule, Heroes Kan Lagamati Koegina Chanipai.
इस झांसी ने विदेशी हुकूमत की चोलें हिलाने का काम किया। रानी लक्ष्मीबाई जी के नेतृत्व में इस देश की स्वाधीनता के लिए उस समय जिस प्रकार का अभियान चलाया गया था, आज भी भारत के इतिहास में वह स्वर्णाक्षरों में जाना जाता था और यहां की लोक कथाओं में, काव्यों में किस वीरता के साथ, किस ओजपूर्ण तरीके के साथ झांसी के ओज और तेज को प्रस्तुत किया गया है। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। कौन ऐसा भारतीय है जो इन पंक्तियों को कभी विस्मृत कर सकता हो। हर एक के जमान में आता है और रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का यह अमृत वाक्य कि मैं अपनी झांसी हरगिज नहीं दूंगी, यह भाव हर एक भारतीय के मन।
Ininga program organized Kurigina, Defense Ministry aro UP Sorgabra, Common Manukan Ho Connect Kuro Koshish Kuriase. Din Laga last in November 19 Dedu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chansi de Aigina address Dibo.
इस राष्ट्र रक्षा संकल्प पर्व का आयोजन करने में उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार का जितना सहयोग प्राप्त हुआ है, उसकी जितनी भी प्रशंसा की जाए वह कम है। इसके लिए मैं उनके प्रति, उनकी सरकार के प्रति आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं। यह पर्व साथियों जहां हमें भारत की गौरव गाथा से जोड़ता है, देश की स्वाधीनता के लिए हुए संग्रामों से जोड़ता है, वहीं भारत की आजादी के अमृत महोत्सव से भी यह जुड़ा हुआ है। साथियों, जिस झांसी की जिस शौर्य भूमि पर आयोजन किया जा रहा है, उसके कण कण लक्ष्मीबाई की बहादुरी और बलिदान की यशोगाथा से जुड़ा हुआ है। इसलिए मैं बड़ी श्रद्धा के साथ शीश झुकाकर महारानी लक्ष्मीबाई के राष्ट्र प्रेम, शौर्य और साहस के बलिदान का स्मरण करता हूं और साथ ही उनकी स्मृति को भी मैं नमन करता हूं।
Delhi laga air quality do aji milagina charting karne very poor category de thagi ase aro ahi ase system of air quality and weather forecasting and research laga hisab te air quality do very poor category de thagi lebi overall air quality index Tuesday din 396 thagi do aji November 17 din de 379 din amishe Delhi de air quality biawa karne NCR laga commission for air quality management aro adjoining areas pra Tuesday din de construction work, public schools pond kuria, korde kam kuria aro alag measures kan region de air pollution control kurle directions dishe. NCR Commission prabi Bansta State ge compliance report November 22nd din de dibule koshish koishe aro directions to NCR States laga Chief Secretary aro GNCTD bra sabo ko ekna official release ekta de goshe. Environmental activist Manu Singh bra air pollution laga opore kushe air pollution control grado khali itia garni na hoina aha din khan karni bhi papna kurule lage kushe
पोल्यूशन की स्थिति देखिए ऐसा है कि ऐसा तो हर साल दिल्ली में होता है पोल्यूशन इस टाइम पे, सर्दियों के टाइम पे, लेकिन ये क्या हो रहा है, दिन पे दिन बढ़ता जा रहा है। गवर्नमेंट काफ़ी इस पे काम कर रही है, अलग अलग तरह से उनके स्कीम निकल रहे हैं, लेकिन वो इफ़ेक्टिव नहीं हो पा रहा है। अब देखिए सुबह हम वॉक पे जब निकलते हैं तब तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन होता है, मतलब इतना होता है कि आंखों में थोड़ी जलन होने लगती है। अब लोग तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि इसमें हेल्थ पे बड़ा असर पड़ रहा है, स्पेशली हम लोगों के लिए जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं।
पॉल्यूशन बहुत है जी, पराली जल रही है यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर धुआं बहुत होता है, आंखों में लगता है बहुत सी देर तो, और आगे जाके कुछ नहीं नजर आता है, धुंध भी।
Aji November 17 de cabinet meeting tagishe tade Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra aro Odisha kan laga 44 district kan de 4G mobile tower connectivity do establish kurle aro Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadag Yojana under de Rasta laga connectivity do extend kurle karni center bra face la lushe ko gina Youth Affairs and Sports laga Union Minister Anurag Thakur bra chanai dishe.
इस प्रोजेक्ट पर लगभग 6,466 करोड़ रुपए का व्यय अनुमानित है और जिनमें हमारे कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर के साथ साथ 5 वर्षों के लिए ऑपरेशनल एक्सपेंडिचर का भी प्रावधान इसमें सम्मिलित है। ये व्यय जो है ये यूएसओ फंड से किया जाएगा, यूनिवर्सल सर्विसेज ऑब्लिगेशन फंड के उसके माध्यम से किया जाएगा और इस प्रोजेक्ट से देश के इन क्षेत्रों को जहां पर अधिकांश जनजातीय क्षेत्र हैं वहां पर मोबाइल कनेक्टिविटी उपलब्ध करवाई जाएगी, जिससे नागरिकों को ई गवर्नेंस का भी सेवाएं उपलब्ध होंगी।
Madhya Pradesh Sorkar bra daikan laga state de COVID-19 situation do olop stable huan mide COVID-19 niyam khan sob tu hatai diule face la lushe ko gina MP Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan bra chanai deshe.
अभी पूरी तरह से नियंत्रण है। आज 5 पॉजिटिव केस आए हैं। एक्टिव केसों की भी संख्या घट के 78 हो गई है। हम स्थिति पर लगातार नजर बनाए हुए हैं, लेकिन कोविड संकट पर नियंत्रण होने के कारण महामारी के समय कोविड-19 महामारी के समय जो प्रतिबंध लगाए गए थे वो सभी प्रतिबंध आज से ही हमने हटाने का फैसला किया है। अब समस्त सामाजिक, राजनीतिक, खेल, मनोरंजन, सांस्कृतिक और धार्मिक आयोजन
Guru Nanak birth anniversary November 19 din de thaya akide Kartarpur Sahib corridor do aji November 17 din de kholai dishe. Kartarpur Sahib corridor do March 2020 de coronavirus karne pon kuri dia laga ase. Edu corridor khola laga announcement do Union Home Minister Amit Shah bra Tuesday din de gushe. Shah bra tweet kuri gina gushe edu decision law do Modi Sorkar bra Guru Nanak Dev aro Sikh community ge bishi respect dia laga ekta ase. Corridor khola do Sikh pilgrims kan ge bishi benefit kurbo. Samajwadi Party National President and former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav bra Purvanchal Expressway de Vijay Rath Yatra karni chaise Kazipur bra aji November 17 din de. Inika hoigina Expressway de airstrip osor rally takya de bi address dishe. Yadav bra Expressway de kumba points kande sabas tu tagishe aro talaga Vijay Rath Yatra du Kazipur bra Lucknow dak tagishe.
क्योंकि उनको डर था कि सच सामने आ जाएगा, तो सच तो आज सामने आ जाएगा कि ये सोच किसकी थी। पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे बने, ये सोच माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी की थी, योगी जी की नहीं थी। पूर्वांचल को एक्सप्रेसवे मिले, ये सोच बीजेपी की नहीं थी। ये काम हमारा है, समाजवादी पार्टी का है। तो कल जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बताया, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री योगी जी ने बताया, वो अधूरा सच है। सच देश और दुनिया को आज पता लगेगा कि पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे किसकी सोच है, किसकी देन है।
इरे गणी मनी आसे और अलग-अलग खबर गणी हमने आनसाई थी भी हॉर्नबिल टीवी।